What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be a super exciting day. I came in the shop this morning and checked out this interior that Bobby and I cleaned up last night. It is crazy how good everything turned out. Here's one of the front seats, literally perfect. There's a few little white specks on there, but those will vacuum off. It's just ash, probably from the fire. Rear seat, the other front seat, absolutely amazing. The floor mats, a little, I don't even know what that piece is for. Bobby was doing something with that. So that turned out good. This armrest was full of grease and oil, and she is absolutely perfect looking. And then those two pieces that we ended up painting. Well, we were trying to paint 3, but I haven't been able to find a new one yet. This little shifter console thing, I destroyed it. Don't ask how. I don't even want to tell you guys because it's such a stupid mistake. The two pieces that we ended up actually painting and not destroying came out really nice. This is a flat black. I originally did semi-gloss and I didn't like how the semi-gloss looked. So this is flat black. I think that looks absolutely amazing. As soon as we get a new center console piece in, we can get all that installed in the car. I guess we can still do this right now. I gotta glue these pieces back on somehow. But for now, let's throw in some seats. The trunk carpet we're gonna have to remake like I did with the 8. So we're just gonna use that as a template. I have new carpet here so we can trace that out. But yeah, let's get some seats in the car. And I'm so freaking excited for this thing now. That was like the biggest downfall of the 9 was the interior and how kind of like disgusting it was. But Bobby is really good at doing that kind of stuff. So let's think back together real quick, boys. So we got the front seats in, that center console in. I was about to put the radio back in and the radio bezel, but everything looks so perfect. And these little climate control knob background things, they're a little crusty. So I decided I'm just gonna replace these. Let's throw this piece on with the radio and see how this flat black looks. I think it's gonna look really nice. That looks super nice. I know the radio isn't the nicest. We could probably upgrade that eventually, but the flat black looks so good. It matches the steering wheel perfectly. I cannot wait to get, first off, a new cover for this and maybe a new shift knob as well. The shift knob is pretty bummy, so I want to replace that. But yeah, get all that situated and this interior is gonna be literally mint condition. Guess we don't need that either. There's a little bit of tape right there that we're gonna pull off. Maybe just some Goo Gone should pull that off just fine. But before we do that, let's throw it in the rear seat and see how all that looks. That seat is honestly a little bit wet still, so I'm gonna pull it back out, get that fire cranked up again, and let this thing dry out. That's how it's gonna look. Pretty freaking nice. All right, as far as that glue goes on top of that console cover, we ran out of Goo Gone, so I'm just gonna use this multi-purpose solvent, and hopefully we don't mess up the plastic. I think it'll be fine. All right, we got that piece all cleaned up. That's how she looks. Mint. All right, the very last piece of the puzzle is the trunk carpet. So as you can see, this piece right here, the OEM piece, is absolutely destroyed. There's a hole over there, ton of grease stains. So we're gonna simply take this piece, throw it on there, trace it out onto the new carpet. Shut up, you're annoying me. And cut it out, throw it in the trunk, and we should be all finished up with the beautiful interior of the Evo 9. It's crazy what a couple hours and a Bobby Wallace will do to an interior. It is missing that side cover right there, so we're gonna get that ordered up. But other than that, mint condition. Okay, I think that's about it for the interior of this car. That seat is still drying. We can't quite get it in yet. Now remember, we do have to swap out the exhaust on the Evo X. There's a few reasons why we're going back to the parent exhaust. Obviously, the main reason is that Bobby wants it for her car, and I think it's too loud for daily driver on that car. So, personal preference number one. I love how it sounds, but the drone is just too bad with the ETS turbo kit, the ETS manifold. As soon as I went to that manifold, that car got way more loud. And of course, not only that, but the damn police don't like that exhaust either. Every time you get an exhaust ticket here in Washington, it gets more and more expensive. If I go back to the parent, I shouldn't have any troubles whatsoever with the police. So let's pull the Evo X down here, get the exhaust swapped out, and then, yeah, Bobby should be here hopefully pretty soon. And I want to show her the interior of the Evo IX because it's her hard work, and I want her to see it all complete. Oh yeah, I did put that badge back on. That looks so sick. You gotta have the Evo MR badge. Looks so good. Hell yeah. All right, boys, let's pull this thing out, pull the Evo X down here. Gotta pull off the Vars diffuser, get the exhaust swapped out. So we're going from ETS V2, I believe it's called, and it's even their quiet version, but it's way too loud on that car. And we're gonna go back to the parent. Ow. Hypothetically, if we were to get new wheels for the Evo IX, what wheels would you guys want to see on here? I really like the T37 look on Evo 8s, Evo 9s, but those are so freaking expensive, like $3K for a set of wheels, which I just don't want to spend that kind of money right now on wheels for this car. So I'm looking like the $2,000 range, like the Rays on the Evo 8 and the Evo 10. Those are both like 2K shipped for, like $2,200 shipped for a new set of wheels. So let me know down in the comment section below. I like the look of the white on the Nardo Gray. I'm just not a huge fan of running Reps or XXRs on like a Evo 9. I don't know, that's just me. They look good, but if we can pick up a deal on a set of JDM wheels for the car, that'd be pretty sick too. Let me know in the comment section below. An Evo 10 coming up the driveway. I also think she's really crabby right now.
Yes? Here's your stupid cup of coffee.
Are you mad?
Yes.
Still?
I'm just really hangry.
What time is it? Thanks, Haas. You got the wrong ones. Just kidding.
They're safe for you.
Look at this. Coffee and spark plugs for the Evo 9. MVP.
Yes.
Tell me about your wheel cracking situation.
So I was on my way to my hair appointment and I was taking the back roads by the Gonzaga campus and the roads are terrible. And I thought everything was fine, and then in the whole, like across the road, throughout the whole road, I kind of saw like a dip, and as I got closer it was a huge ass dip and I just flew through it. And I thought I either popped a tire or cracked a wheel.
And you didn't?
No. Came out just...
That's why you run real wheels.
Oh.
So we're gonna have to pull off the diffuser, and then we can pull off the cap back and throw on the new stuff. Sad. Okay, so we just got the exhaust off, and as you guys just heard, an open dump, or a wide open downpipe startup. You're really toning it around, Haas. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna throw on the new ETS or the parent exhaust. Yeah, it is wiggling. One thing I've been always needing to do with this diffuser install is pull off this bracket. This toe bracket right here is useless right now with the diffuser on, and it also hits the diffuser, so it rattles and it's annoying. So we're gonna pull that off. Oh, we have the diffuser. Well, we have the diffuser off. Okay, she's all finished up. Are you guys ready to hear what this clunker sounds like? So quiet!
It's still pretty freaking loud.
It is loud?
Maybe it doesn't sound like my car.
It's probably still louder than your car, huh? Oh, it is? Oh, apparently it's still louder than Bobby's car, but yeah, here it is with the parent. It's a good sound, it's just not nearly as gnarly as the ETS was. It's not bad. It's what?
I said it's still very low-key.
You know why?
Why?
The GSCS2s.
I want CSG.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's vlog right here. Really hope you enjoyed it. We are gonna potentially, maybe, quite possibly get started on Bobby's big turbo install today. Because it's only like noon, and yeah, we have other stuff to do, but I want to put that in a separate video. So huge shout out to everybody who watched this video. Make sure you drop a comment down below. Let me know about first of all, what wheels we should run on the Evo 9. Yeah, 1 second. So not only which style wheel, but also which color. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.